when you receive a license file for Solid Edge or FEMAP or any Siemens software, you will get a header section which has the information in here, which is what allows you to create a webkey account. So the webkey is used to log into any of the X products, or if you're using standard desktop, then how to get in and download updates and the initial bit of software. So if you open your license file, you'll see a sold to or install ID, and that will be listed in here. And then there'll be a webkey access code which will take you through generating the webkey. And you start off by moving into this web address here, which I'll post in the comments. And you have the option of creating an account, or you may want to add a sold to. So if you've got some different software, like if you've got NodeLocked plus floating, you'll have different install IDs. You may want to add it to your webkey so that you have access to all those programs. So simple process to create an account. You just fill in your details, and this is where you put that sold to ID in and that webkey access code, and then you create your account. Alternatively, if you want to add a sold to, you click on the button at the other end, and that does the same thing. So you log in, and you'll see the means to connect in, and once you get through to here, you can add that sold to ID in here, and you join that to your current webkey account. Once you've created your webkey, you can then go into, say, the Solid Edge license utility to find the licensing website. So one of the options here is I need to visit that, and you just click OK, and that brings you up into the licensing website. And initially you will need to log in, and once you're in here, you have the option of, if you have a standalone license, you can create an emergency license. You can add your composite host ID, and in here you also have access to your passwords and license files. You will see the various different versions that you can download and the different products as well. So once you've done that, you just hit continue, and that will download the license file for you. So with your webkey, you will have access to the support center, and support.sw.siemens.com, and I've got English US. And you'll see the list of products that you have available. Maybe not as many as I have here, but once you are in the system, you'll need to log on using your webkey. We can go into the product, and under the product you'll see various menus across the top here. So we have a download section, we have a documentation section, and obviously a knowledge base. So if you have a query, you can just type in the query, and you will get some answers based on that. There's also a link down here to show some of the topics that are covered under the community, which I'll cover shortly. So under downloads, typically you'll see a version option here. So I'm going with Solid Edge Design Center 2026, and the 2510 relates to the year and month that the software was actually released, but 26 being the majority of the year that the software is available. So as I said, you can sort of switch from here back to a previous version. Typically it's only the 2 versions that are available. So there'll be a a full download of the product from in here, and if you click on that, it will take you through to the various aspects. You'll have a sort of filter down the left hand side, so if I go on release, you'll see that we have basically the full solid edge download and the readme for that as well. So from here we can change to one of those other options. There'll be an updates option which shows you all the different updates. With updates you only need to do the latest one. So if I click on update 6 for this, there'll be a couple. So there's a readme in here plus the download for the update, which you just need to run the .exe with solid edge closed, and that will update as you need to. And if you're using the solid edge fast search, you need to download that as well. So from in here there are also add-ons and portfolio. Let's look at the portfolio options. So these are the different add-on products that are associated with solid edge but are sort of separately run. So you've got technical publications, and then you've got standard parts, modular plant design, inspection, electrical, CAM Pro, and nesting. So again, just clicking on one of these will show you your downloads. And then under add-ons, these are the sort of the free parts that you can get. SPT Tools has the license manager associated with it. SDK is a software development kit. So if you want to build your own macros, you can download this and the sample programs as well. So that gives you a good starting point for working with that. So these are the options that you would go to, and then under documentation, you've got the full breadth of solid edge documentation, which you can go in and browse at your own leisure. As I mentioned earlier, there is a community forum, and this is just a global network of users who have questions that they want to ask their peers. So you can come in here anytime. There is also a link to this within Solid Edge, and there are communities for each of the different products in the Siemens portfolio. So you can see the latest discussions. You can start your own discussion in here. So anytime you see anything you will have an interest in, you can sort of click on the link, and obviously part of that you will need to add your web key. Just get into comment. And when that comes up, you can see that we have some information in here which may or may not be useful to whatever you are looking at doing. So yeah, that covers most of the areas associated with the web key, and hopefully you will find this useful.